Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the TIDIO app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The TIDIO app is a strong solution for business looking to combine live chat, chatbot, and multi-channel messaging into one platform. Its intuitive interface, drag and drop bot builder, and integration with platforms like Shopify and WordPress make it a solid choice for boosting customer engagement and support efficiency. On the downside, some users raise concern about pricing, especially unexpected plan upgrade or charges and limited customization for certain features like analytics or chatbot behaviors. Others report slower performance on mobile and fewer options for advanced reporting compared to competitors. So if your business needs a unified chat and bot tools, you might be comfortable reviewing plan teams. TIDIO is worth using, and if you need a granular analytics or tight budget control, you might want to compare other alternatives. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.